What's up, guys? I'm back here with a video, first ever video I'm making, brand new channel. But yeah, today the video is we're going to be testing out the new, I think it's the Issy, the new yeah, Weeny Issy rally 1.8 mil. We'll be doing a review on it, so let's buy it and then let's see, put it to my agency. Yeah guys, so yeah, just a review today. If you guys could subscribe, drop a comment, like, I appreciate it. Follow all my socials as well, they're gonna be in the description below. So yeah, I would appreciate it if you guys show me some love, as it's my first video. And yeah, so hurry up and wait for this to arrive, and then go customize it and give you the full review on it. It actually, it looks alright, it looks nice. But yeah, hurry up and wait for this crap to, I mean not crap, joking, but let's hurry up and wait for this car to arrive and then quickly order it.
What's going on? Okay, so you're in serious trouble.
Yeah, alright, it's just arrived, let me order it.
Okay.
Shut up, Lester, man. A little nonce, I swear down. But anyway, let's wait for this to arrive.
What you need, boss? Some wheels? I can bring them around.
What was it called? Issy rally.
I'll get there as soon as I can.
Predictions are it's gonna be a good car. I don't know if it's gonna be fast or not. That's the thing. As a rally car, it must be fast, right? Yeah, it doesn't turn, I can't lie. The brakes are quite bad on it. But let me just customize it.
What can the best mechanic in LS do for you?
You can customize my car, thank you. That's what you can do.
You have any problems?
Brakes, bumper.
That's a beauty right there.
Just watch all my money go down. Should we carbon it? Yeah, screw it.
That'll boost the torque.
Oh, it put a lot on the acceleration, didn't it?
You got a whole lot more horses under there now.
What looks better? Mirrors, carbon stock. Let's try carbon fiber all. Yeah, screw it. Let's pull it white. Roof. No, I don't want none of this. Put carbon roof. I hate fat spoilers, bro. Fat spoilers. Why did I say X spoilers? Am I stupid, G? It should be hard to pick a good one. Yeah, sure. Put this one. Put black one. Suspension.
Dropped your 0 to 60 by 0.8 seconds.
Oh, what wheels should I put? Tuner. Not gonna lie, I haven't read it this rapid. Supposed to spend time on it, but let's go on track. Hopefully they got some good wheels.
You got great taste.
Thank you very much, man. It means a lot. I think we're done. let's have a look at it then. Let's drive. Predictions are no, there's no predictions. I just hope it's fast and it's good. Does it sound different? It still doesn't turn. Whoa, it feels weird to drive, but anyway, give it a little pull. Feels heavy, I can't lie. Oh, can you hear the turbo goes? Tut -tut. Oh, I thought I heard a turbo. Yeah, I can. You can hear it like it's slightly, bro, ever so slightly. But anyway, now the car does look really nice. I can't even lie. I do like this car, but this car, it does look nice. I do like the shape of it and just the way it looks. The interior is alright as well. It's decent. It's quite fast. I can't lie. It's got alright handling. It just feels heavy and the turning radius is quite bad. Let's check the brakes. Alright. But anyway, it's a proper review. Can I park in the bay, please? Thank you. Oh. I'm actually so bummed you can't open the trunk, but it is fine. Engine looks nice. There's nothing really thingy. The interior does look nice. Oh, look at all the buttons. It does look nice. But yeah, guys, there you have it. The review on the Weeny Issy Rally 1. If you guys like the video, could you subscribe, drop a comment, and yeah, peace. I'll see you in the next one.